Hello, my name is Dr. Rebecca Vasquez Ortiz, and I will be your professor for this Psychology 157 online course. First, I'd like to welcome you to the course and let you know that I'm excited about being an active partner in your success in this course. Next, I'd like to provide you with a brief overview and understanding of the course Canvas so that you can be successful in this course. So let's go ahead and look at the course Canvas. Along the left-hand toolbar, you'll see some important links. The home page will take us to the home site for the course. The home page contains these course tiles down below and can allow you to directly access a module. The syllabus will be listed here in the syllabus link. I highly suggest that you print the syllabus out so that you can see all of the requirements for this course. Then the modules is an alternative way to access the modules aside from those course tiles below. Your grades will be posted regularly in the grades section. Announcements will be my quick way to get information to you. It's very important that you review the announcements as soon as you receive them. Discussions will be used predominantly for discussion board posts. So let's go ahead and access the modules through the side link. Here in the course information module, you'll find all of the information that's necessary for understanding the layout of the course. Here you'll see a PDF of the syllabus, a PDF of the course progress chart, and a PDF of the thought paper topics. I highly suggest that you print each of those out so that you can have a visual of the requirements for the course. Additionally, I have posted a sample thought paper so you can look at the writing style and format that's necessary for being successful in the thought paper assignments. Here below, you can see other important information about the course, including the course policies. Please review those. The instructor contact, that's how you're going to be able to reach me. And go ahead and continue down to review all of the other important components of the course information module. Here is the resource module, which will help you access any online support, training, or skills for Canvas. And then as we scroll down further, you'll see the module labeled Unit 1. Unit 1 will include the information about all of the assignments in the Unit 1 module. I'm going to be going back and creating other videos on instructions for each of the unit modules. So be sure to watch those videos later on. Here you can see Unit 2, and as you continue to scroll, you can see each of the units. So go ahead and take the time to review the course information, including all of the modules, and I will be returning shortly to give you information about each of the modules so that you can successfully navigate those assignments. And if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to either email me through Canvas or directly, or you could also, here's my information, email, and my location and office number. You could also post a question on the question and answer session within Canvas so that your fellow classmates also have the opportunity to review the information that pertains to questions. So many times students are timid in asking questions. Please don't feel that way. If you have a question, it's highly likely that your fellow students have similar questions. So feel free to reach out. Again, I will see you back in the Unit 1 module instructions video.